Helo bawb, mae'n braf iawn dathlu diwrnod gwaith cymdeithasol y byd 2023 gyda chi gyd. Social Work Day provides a welcome opportunity to celebrate the incredible work you do. It's a celebration of your achievements and an opportunity to reflect on the amazing work done each and every day by dedicated, hard-working social workers. Social work can be an immensely rewarding and fulfilling role. At the front line in delivering crucial help to vulnerable people, families and communities. You support others through crises and enable positive changes in their lives. You play a vital role in supporting our communities in Wales. Now, being a social worker can be tough. Bob dydd, rydych chi yn wynebau pethau anodd ac yn wneud penderfyniadau anodd, sydd ddim bob amser yn wairwain ar beth fyddwch eich eisiau i'r bobl rydych chi'n ei cefnogi. Your work requires professionalism, strength and resilience that few others outside health and social care are asked to show. As we continue our recovery from the crushing impacts of the pandemic, we face the terrible consequences that the war in Ukraine and the cost of living crisis are having on communities and individuals across Wales. These are global challenges affecting local communities and individuals, and it is you who deliver the help and support they need. You support the vulnerable, you strengthen communities, you improve people's lives. You make a difference. Diolch I chi, a ran pawb sy'n cael bydd o'ch empathy a'ch gwaith caredig a proffesiynol. Pob hwyl I chi ar ddiwrnod gwaith cymdeithasol y byd. Diolch yn fawr iawn.